one jacket here from FLEXIFORGED. Today I want to show you a custom forged wheel set we made for the BMW G82 M4. On the table, you can see the front and rear wheels together. This is a staggered setup, and the front wheel is 20 by 10 ET8, and the rear wheel is 20 by 11 ET14. The PCD is 5 by 112, and the center bone is 66.6 millimeters, which is made to match the BMW Fitment requirements. This setup uses a staggered setup. The front wheel is 20 by 10 ET8, and the rear wheel is 20 by 11 ET14. This set is built with a monoblock forged structure using high-strength aluminum alloy. Compared with regular cast wheels, forged wheels give better strength, better weight control, and a more precise machining finish. For the design, we followed the customer reference style and adjusted the details according to the G82 M4 fitment. And the final finish is silver, giving the wheel a clean, sharp, and performance-oriented look. For custom projects like this, we always confirm the key specifications first: car model, size, PCD, center bone, offset, brake clearance, finish, and the customer reference design. After that, we create the wheel drawing and confirm all details before production. At FLEXIFORGED, we focus on custom forged wheels for performance cars, touring shops, wheel brands, and project builders. If you are working on a custom wheel project, send us your vehicle information and your target design, and we can help you check the fitment and prepare a solution. This is FLEXIFORGED custom forged wheels made for your project. Thank you.